Hey, I'm here to walk you through how to use a first response rapid result pregnancy test. First things first, don't drop it in the toilet. I learned that the hard way. Carefully tear open the wrapper and take out the test. Next, pop off the pink cap that covers the absorbent tip. There are two ways to test. You can either pee on the stick, or if you're not super confident in your aim, dip it into a cup of your urine. If you're testing midstream, go ahead and hold the stick by the finger grip right here. Hold it in your urine stream for 5 seconds. A little tip on this tip, always keep it pointed down, never towards the ceiling. If you're dipping, go ahead and find a clean cup that, you're cool peeing in. I promise it's clean. And then dip the entire tip in your urine for 20 seconds. All right, once finished, go ahead and grab the pink cap from before, pop it back on, and then lay the test flat with the result window facing up. Now you only have to wait 1 minute. I promise, it goes a lot faster if you're not staring at the clock. Time to grab your emotional support water bottle. All right, time to check the results. 1 pink line means not pregnant. 2 pink lines means pregnant. Even if one line is lighter than the other, it still counts. If you need a little more help, take a look at the insert included in the box, and you can visit firstresponse.com. You got this.